Hello, my friends. This is Angela, and I'm here to share a package that I had yesterday from the company Embellish It. Um, they have a kit clubs, and I am in the layout kit club. And they sent me an email. They were having a warehouse sale where for $39.99 you'll get a box full of supplies value in $150. Um, they have other kits. They only have at the beginning the layout and the cards. The layout and the cards are 20 a month, and you get it every other month, and that means that you are going to get charged $40 because you're getting 20 for each month. Then they added the planner and the Bible journal that is 15 a month, ship every month. So those are the new kids that they add to their club. They have, maybe you go to embellishitkids.com, but they have if you join the club today, you can save $5 using the code save 5 when you check out. And they have 20% off in all their club kits. So it's a very nice company. This is all the stuff I had in the box. I'm gonna share with you. This is the second time I do this video. For some reason, I don't know if it's my camera or I'm trying it with my phone now to see if I get it. So the first thing I got here was some ephemera. And this ephemera, it's from Fancy Pants, and it's called Nautical. And these are the ones that you received. It doesn't say how many are there, but there's a bunch in there. So the theme is more like summer. You get popsicle chairs and summers and banners, boats, and things like that. Another pack of ephemera from Basic Gray called Spice Market. You get a bunch too here. It doesn't say how many, but these are the ones that you are going to receive. And I apologize for the glare. I'm trying to do this near my window because it's kind of a cloudy day. It's like the sky is gray and it looks like it's gonna rain, but it looks to me like a winter day, and I'm in Arizona, so it's got a little chilly. For me, at least it's 50 degrees outside. So I got this basil monochromatic ribbons that they're specially made for Embellish It, and they have 6 different colors, and they're a yard each. I have this Ziva crystals. They're self-adhesive and swirls. I have this sheet of words that it says, well, look at that, day to day, words, what's up, and things like that. From my mind's eye, I got from the collection Trend 2 by Jen Allison. 6 sticker sheets. And this is what you get. You get alphabet, you get tabs, you get different stuff. So I got this cut apart for the fall. A 6x6 fancy pant, Happy Go Lucky, and it has a total of 36 pages. It's like a camping kind of outdoors. That's the word I was looking for. So I got that. I was very excited when I saw these stamps. These are the Graphic 45 Budget Under the Sea that if you see my other video of Graphic 45, I got this collection. So now I have the stamps. I couldn't find the stamps or any of that, and now I got the stamps. They tied this with a nice little bow ribbon, and this is a Heidi Swap Make It Pretty glitter letters. There are pink. They might look kind of red in the camera, but and then you get this photo what they call it, oh my god, let me see, what's the name of it, frames, photo frames, and you get 6 of them in different colors, light blue, light pink, and then you get dark blue, darker pink, and gold. So you get that. You get one of the Embellish It kits. This is from January of 2014. But you get everything that you need. This is the club I'm in, and I received 12 packages of this kits a month in the year. I get one for each month. And then they give you in the back ideas how you can make it exactly like it is, or you can do it the way you want it. I never follow, rarely I follow the layouts that they come up with, and that's a $19.99, a $20 value. They put about 50 kinds of different papers, and they have good brands: Basic Gray, Echo Park, Simple Stories, Echo Park, Crate Paper. They have all kinds. Graphic 45. This is another Echo Park. Webster's, another Graphic 45. Simple Stories, and well, I have a total of 50. I'm not going to go through all of them, but you get 50 single paper, 12 by 12 pages. Papers, I'm sorry, papers. I got a Graphic 45 pad, Precious Memories. I never had this collection. I never bought it because it's like for newborns or babies, and I love the colors. They're light blue and a peachy and white, and it looks very pretty, but I never thought what I can do for it because I don't have babies, you know. But now that my niece is expecting, I think I can just make a mini album for her. And the paper is precious. Look at that first page. It is precious, and you get very shabby papers. And here is some die cuts. Here's some papers. Here's more die cuts. And very nice. This alone is like $20 too. Then I got a chipboard elements of 33 pieces of My Mind's Eye from the Jubilee collection. And I have some die cuts and stickers. I don't know what collection or what brand these are, but they're very pretty. They're kind of girly, kind of. Had journaling spots, and it has Best Friend Forever. It's a girly kind of has a bird or butterflies and stuff like that. Then I have this Embellish It. You see, here's the Embellish It, embellishonline.com. There is the place where maybe you can find this. This is another two-page spread layout, and here is the stickers that come with that. And this is from Fancy Pants. And last but not least, I had a 12 by 12 Simple Story, Sunshine and Happiness sticker alphabets of different kinds and words. So that's my haul. I hope you enjoy. Thank you again to my subscribers, and thank you and welcome to the new ones. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and that's all for now. I'll talk to you later. Bye.